Hello student, welcome to class. Today we are going to discuss about of chapter 11. In this video we have solved exercises of this chapter number 11, and chapter name is season. Student, in previous video we have also learned about of season and types of season, and some exercises of this chapter we have solved in previous video. Exercise 1, fill in the blanks, and exercise 2, true and false, and exercise 3, choose the correct word. We have solved in previous video, but in this video we have solved exercise 4. Question type is answer the following question. Student, listen carefully what I am saying. Okay? First question, look at the first question. What is a season? What is a season? Your answer is here. Different periods of the year that are hot, cold or rainy are known as the season. Season means different periods of the years that are hot, cold or rainy are known as the season. Okay student, come on the question number 2. How many seasons are there in India? Name them. Your answer, there are 4 main seasons. Season name, summer, autumn, winter and spring. There are 4 seasons, but in India we have 8 another season called the monsoon. Monsoon season is called rainy season. So there are 5 seasons, but mostly 4 main seasons. In India, summer, autumn, winter and spring. Question number 3. What kinds of clothes do we wear summer in? What kinds of clothes do we wear in summer? Come on the answer. We wear cotton cloth in summer because they keep us cool. In summer season, we wear cotton cloth, not woolen cloth. Cotton cloth because cotton cloth keep us cool. Question number 4. Write 3 differences between summer and winter. Three difference between summer and winter season. Come on the answer. First, summer season is very hot, but winter season is very cold. Summer season is hot, but winter season is cool. Second, the days are long and nights short in summer. In winter, the days are short and nights are long and cold. These are 2 differences. Summer season is very hot, but winter season is very cold. The days are long and nights short in summer, but in winter, the days are short and nights are long and cold. Third difference, we wear cotton cloth in summer, we wear woolen cloth in winter. There are 3 differences between summer and winter. Okay student? Come on the next question. Name the month of the monsoon. Describe this season. Your answer is middle of June July, and August are the month of the monsoon season. June, July, August are the month of the monsoon season. It rains heavily on most days during the monsoon. The plant and tree grow and turn green after the rain. So monsoon season is very heavily rains on most days during the monsoon season. The plant and tree grow and turn green after the rain. Monsoon season, plants become green color. Children have fun slapping in the puddles and floating paper boats in monsoon season. Okay, student, come on the question number 6. What is autumn? What is autumn season? Autumn is the season between the monsoon and winter. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. September and October are the autumn month in India. Student, what is the autumn? Autumn is the season between the monsoon and winter. Trees shed their leaves in autumn season. September and October are the autumn month in India. Student, in autumn month we celebrate different types of festival like as Dashera, Diwali, Eid. Okay. There is a gentle breeze blowing and the sky is clear. Question number 7. Describe spring. Question number 7. Describe spring. Your answer is after winter comes spring. Trees grow new leaves, flowers bloom, and birds make nests in spring. February and March are the spring months in India. What is the spring? After winter comes spring. Spring season comes after winter season. Trees grow new leaves. Flowers bloom and birds make nests in spring. February and March are the spring month in India. Okay, student? So, we have solved question 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Okay, student? These are your answer here. Firstly, you listen carefully what I am saying. Then you learn all question and answer. Okay? All exercises of this chapter name is season. You write in your CW and fair copy. Okay, student? Thanks.